Our Earth has been encroached by novel coronavirus. We are collectively waging war against novel coronavirus that causes COVID-19. India is playing a vital role in the fight against coronavirus. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO India has been developing several solutions from its existing arsenal of technologies and experience to fight against COVID-19. DRDO has introduced two products and OBOGS technique which can enhance the operations at public places and hospitals during the pandemic. The first product is automated mist-based sanitizer. Center for Fire Explosive and Environment Safety CFEES, Delhi along with HPO1 using its expertise in mist technology for water conservation and fire suppression has developed automatic mist-based sanitizer dispensing unit. The unit was manufactured with the help of Riot Labs Private Limited Noida and one unit has been installed at DRDO Bhavan. The unit can be used for sanitization of hands at entry and exit to hospitals, malls, office buildings, airports, residential buildings, bus stations, metro stations, railway stations, and critical installations. The product is also expected to be very useful for entry and exit of isolation and quarantine centers. It is a contactless sanitizer dispenser which sprays alcohol-based hand rub sanitizer solution. The unit is activated through an ultrasonic sensor. A single fluid nozzle with low flow rate is used to generate aerated mist to dispense the hand rub sanitizer. This sanitizes the hands with minimum wastage. Using atomizer, only 5 to 6 milliliter sanitizer is released for 12 seconds in one operation and it gives the full cone spray over both palms so that disinfection operation of hands is complete. It is a very compact unit and bulk fill option makes it economical and long-lasting product. It is easy to install system as wall mountable or on a platform. As an indication of operation, an LED illuminates the spray. The next set of products are UV sanitization box and handheld UV device. Defense Institute of Physiology and Allied Sciences DIPAS and Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences INMAS, DRDO laboratories in Delhi have designed and developed ultraviolet C light-based sanitization box and handheld UVC device which has ultraviolet light with wavelength 254 nanometers. The UVC consists of a shorter, more energetic wavelength of light. It is particularly good at destroying genetic material in COVID-19. The radiation warps the structure RNA which prevents the viral particles from making more copies of themselves. The UVC kills microbes quickly. Sanitization of the items by employing UVC light avoids harmful effects of chemicals used for disinfection. This is environment friendly and is a contact-free effective sanitization method. The UVC box is designed for disinfecting personal belongings like mobile phone, tablets, purse, currency, cover of office files, etc. COVID-19 virus will be deactivated by using UVC lamps in 1 minute placed equidistantly in a box with UV dose of 100 millijoule per centimeter square. The UV lamps used in the sanitization box also emits 185 nanometer which produces ozone and is able to take care of the unexposed area on the surfaces of the objects placed in the box. The handheld device having 8-watt UVC lamp disinfects office and household objects like chairs, files, postal delivered items and food packets with an exposure of 45 seconds at 100 millijoule per centimeter square irradiance placed at a distance of less than 2 inches. This measure can reduce the transmission of coronavirus in office and public environment which is required to work in all conditions. In a latest development, the decision has been taken that DRDO's onboard oxygen generating system developed for LCA Tejas fighter jet will now be used to refill oxygen gas cylinders in hospitals in case of possible shortage of oxygen gas cylinders. Let's help the authorities. Let's do our bit because prevention is better than cure. Wash your hands. Don't touch your face. Avoid contact with sick people. Stay home if you are sick. Together, let's win this war against COVID-19.